Thinking about hiring a deep cleaning service, but not sure what it costs or why prices vary so much? You're not alone. Deep cleaning is more than just a quick tidy. It's a thorough, top-to-bottom refresh that many homeowners turn to before special events, move-outs, or routine seasonal maintenance. Deep cleaning goes beyond a surface tidy. It targets detailed dusting and baseboards. It includes scrubbing bathrooms and grout, kitchen deep cleaning, floor wash and edges, and high-touch surface sanitizing. Often, it includes inside appliances, inside cabinets, and detailed spot cleaning. This contrasts with standard cleaning, which involves vacuuming, surface wipes, and quick bathroom or kitchen wipe downs. Square footage matters. Bigger homes mean more time and labor. The condition of your home also impacts the cost. Light regular clean versus heavy deep clean. Bathrooms and kitchens are labor-intensive areas that can increase the price. Extras and add-ons like inside appliances, window cleaning, and carpet steam cleaning can also affect costs. One-time deep cleans often cost more than recurring clean packages, but some companies offer bundled savings. Pricing varies by location and company, but I can help you plan by showing pricing bands without specific dollar figures. For small homes or apartments, you can generally expect lower pricing bands. Mid-size family homes fall into a moderate pricing band. Larger homes or those with multiple bathrooms typically fall into a higher pricing band. Square feet, number of bathrooms, and condition are the main drivers of cost. Pricing bands help homeowners set expectations and compare quotes effectively. To shop smart, ask for detailed quotes that include the number of rooms and specific deep cleaning tasks. Make sure to compare the scope of service, not just the lowest price. Ask about satisfaction guarantees and check customer reviews and references. Inquire about licensed and insured teams to ensure quality service. Have a clear list of priorities when requesting a quote, such as pet hair removal or deep bathroom tile cleaning. The value proposition of a deep clean goes beyond just price. Consider health and hygiene benefits, including the removal of allergens and deep grime. Think about the time savings. A deep clean saves homeowners hours of hard work. Enjoy the comfort and peace of mind that comes with a clean space before guests or during a move. Regular deep cleaning can also prolong the life of your floors, grout, and fixtures. When you understand what you're getting and why it matters, the cost starts making sense. Deep cleaning costs vary based on size, condition, and service scope. With a clear understanding of what's included and how quotes differ, you can budget with confidence. Whether you're preparing for guests, moving, or just want a thorough refresh, a professional deep clean can be a worthwhile investment. If this helped you plan your cleaning budget, like and subscribe for more home care tips.